Calling me the sugar where they your tea. Calling me the honey where they your bee. Anything you tell me, I they believe her. Showing me around like I lost my way. Telling all your friends and I me be bail. Baby, see me, I don't they believe her. Tell me, make I know now. If you show me, make I know now. If you don't show me, make I know now. If you don't love me, tell me, make I know now. If you show me, make I know now. If you don't show me, oh, make I know now. If you don't love me, oh, make you not talk, say you love me, oh. Aye. If you don't need me, oh, nobody talk, say you need me, oh. I take this love, oh, seriously, oh. Baby, you're making up play me, oh. Nobody talk, say you love me, oh.
This is me reviewing my melon soup, aka Egusi soup. This soup is absolutely delicious. Hit every taste bud. Hobby reviewed this soup and literally colored the whole bowl. I said, Kai, bring this bowl back. You are reviewing for my audience. He said it tastes so good. And I asked my brother to do the same. He said this soup is fantastic and quickly go grab his. He says the plating is inspired by the upcoming Valentine. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.
Tell me what you think. This is looking nice. This one is fantastic.